Look at that. Look how nice it is. Hi guys, it's Chris. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing the unboxing of my new headphone, the Silent White limited edition from Sony WH-1000XM4. Actually, I bought this 2 weeks ago, but I didn't do the unboxing because I want to do it with you. So I am definitely excited to see what's inside. So without any further ado, let's do the unboxing. So this is it. Let's start the unboxing of this headphone. At the back, there's a manual attached, which is in Hebrew language, because I bought this headphone here in Israel, so they also provided a manual in their language. So I guess this one is also a warranty, and Alexa built in and made for iPhone and iPad, and it has a 360 reality audio and 30-hour wow, 30 hours, that's long. And so let's do the unboxing. I'm so excited. For this one. Okay. This is on this side, so it's here slowly. Wow, this edition is only in Europe. Wireless noise cancelling stereo headset. I'm so excited for this one. This is the manual in English, so let's see. Let's check on that later. And let's move on to this. Oh, the case is really nice, and there's a handle like that. Oh, and there is a gold like this. Okay, let's see what's inside. I'm so excited. The case, the carrying case is actually not white. It's kind of like, what color is this? It's light gray. Yeah, it's light gray. And look, inside the box, there is the carrying case. There is a aux audio for if you wanted to attach it to something without Bluetooth. And they have this in flight when you are traveling on the plane, so you can use it. I'm so excited to travel when. And they have also this Usbc for charging, and of course they didn't include the charger. You can just use your phone charger or anything that you can use. And look at this. This is really white. Look at that. Yeah, this is so white as snow. I'm wondering if my makeup will transfer on this, because this is so white. But they said that this one is stain resistant, so let's see if it is like that. Look how it is. So that's the thing inside, and they have this thing like that. This is really cool. This is dope. Yeah, okay. And look at that. It's like a rose gold. This the thing that here is like not so gold, but it's like a rose gold. Look at that. Look how nice it is. And also this on the head. This is kind of cool, and it's I think it's very comfortable, and also the touch is very soft, so maybe it's very comfortable on my ear. So let's see, let's find out. I'm gonna try it now. So now let's see how good it is. It's written here, it's made in Malaysia. It's made in Malaysia, but it was distributed in Europe, Sony Europe. So Belgium, so it's from Belgium. There's an indicator here, right and left. So let's see. I'm so excited. Wow. Yeah. And it's white. Look at that. And let's see, where's the button for on and off. There's a button here. This is for the audio, for the jack, for this aux. This is the power on, and there's a custom thing, so I need to set this up. And this is the charging port for this one, and let's try to turn it on. Oh, wait a second, it's on the other side. Wow, it's so cool. It's like I am inside the airport. Wow, it's really cool. I'm so glad that I bought this one compared to my old headphone. I'm gonna show you my old headphone. This one, the Bose. Also, it is a noise cancelling headphone. Also, I got this in 2017, but I think this one is better. And wow, this is really cool. I can see the difference. And let's see. Yeah. Wow. Look at that. But also the casing of this is really nice from Bose. I had a good experience with Bose also, and I've been using that for 4 years. So thanks Bose for the good quality product. And now this one, I hope that this one is as good as Bose as well. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I need to do the setting on my iPhone. I cannot show it with you because I am using it to film this video, so I cannot do the setting. I don't want to try it on my Android phone, so I'm just gonna try it on my iPhone after I film this video. So I'm so excited, I'm really excited, and I will give you an update after like 30 days of using it. How is my experience with the sounds. And you just have to long press it. If you want to turn it off, you just need to long press the power button, and also the same when you turn it on. And I'm so happy. I'm really happy that I got this one, and I'm so excited to walk on the street with this as well. Another investment for my anxiety. And thank you so much guys for doing the unboxing with me, and thank you so much for all your support, especially to my friends and to all my viewers in India, because I have a lot of viewers in India. Thank you so much. And also to all my friends in Tuku team, thank you so much to all your support. You are all my motivation. And of course to all my members, thank you so much for your never-ending support. Without your support, I don't think I can continue doing vlog if nobody will watch my video. So I'm very thankful for that. And to all And to those who are not yet my subscriber, please do subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you again on my next video. But before I end this video, I wanna shout out all my members. Please be connected with them as well. And my one of my members is he's my friend since 2009. We are just a virtual friend. We just met through chatting since 2009. So we've been friends for more than 11 years, for more than a decade. He's from India. Thank you so much, Kiddo. Sunny Kumar. And also to Aditi Sai London. Thank you so much, Aditi Sai. To Braveheart21. Thank you so much, bro. Sis Banana. To Miss Banana. Thank you so much, sis. And to Sis Mira and MJ. Thank you so much, sis. And Song. Thank you so much, bro, and I hope you are always safe there. To Sis Ayan Ewata, thank you so much, sis. And to Kuya Jerry Jamila, thank you so much. Blogs Edge TV, thank you so much, bro. And to Bro Benayob from Blogs, thank you so much. And of course, I won't forget the last time that sent me the super chat. To Sweet Canadian Fan Blog, thank you so much, sis. And of course, thank you so much, bro Bobby QTV. Thank you so much, bro. I know you don't have to do it, but still you do it. You sent me, that's kind of big. You sent me a super chat once again. I'm really I don't know what to say, but thank you so much, and I hope that I can give it back to all of you as well. So until then, and I guess I will see you on my next vlog. I love you all, and kisses.